Okay, let's go into teachertimemachine.com, and we're in the resource generator here today. So in those tabs, you can click through those tabs. We're just going to go in there, and we are going to try an experiment. Let's try an experiment today. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave my class profile, but you can, as always, create a class profile. If you want to save more time, just do this once, then it will always grab your information from there. Okay, ready? Let's go. And your next science experiment is ready for your classroom.